Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the defrost heater in your GE refrigerator. If you need a new defrost heater for your GE refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The defrost heater is used during the automatic defrost cycle. If the part fails, it can cause the automatic defrost system to stop working and the refrigerator not to cool properly. If the evaporator coil is frozen over, you'll need to wait for the frost or ice to fully melt before completing the repair. After completing the repair, you will need to allow the refrigerator to fully defrost before reassembly, as the automatic defrost system will not be able to catch up on its own. Since we will be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. Because the defrost heater is encased in glass, use extreme caution when removing because it may be broken. To gain access to the defrost heater, we will first need to remove the upper and lower drawers. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Then, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 bolts holding the evaporator cover in place. Then pull the evaporator cover towards you, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tabs. If the cover is frozen in place, open the freezer door and unplug the refrigerator, allowing it to thaw. There are 2 electrical connectors on the defrost heater, one here and one here. To remove them, pull firmly with needle nose pliers. This will require some force. The defrost heater is held in place by 2 clips and 2 retaining tabs. Using a needle nose pliers, gently pull on the clips to bend them so that they are clear of the coil. Then push towards the rear of the freezer compartment to free the other end. Next, carefully bend the retaining tabs to release the defrost heater. Then, using a needle nose pliers, firmly lift up on the drain heater probe. This will require a great deal of force. With the probe clear, remove the heater. If you need to purchase a new defrost heater, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the defrost heater to the retaining slots on the evaporator coil assembly with the electrical ports facing down and press into place. Then, bend the retaining tabs back into place. To reinstall the middle clip, insert behind the coil and hook it into place. Then align the opposite side of the clip to the pre-existing gap in the prongs and press into place. Repeat the same process with the other clip. Then insert the drain heater probe into the drain, align to the coil, and press firmly until it seats into place. Then reconnect the electrical connectors by aligning and pressing firmly in place. Insert the cover into the freezer compartment and reconnect the electrical connector. Then press until it seats back into place and reinstall the screws. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.